Italy is not just a country. It's a feeling. A place where history, beauty, and passion meet. First stop, the Amalfi Coast. Dramatic cliffs drop into turquoise waters, while colorful villages cling to the hills. Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello feel like a dream carved into stone. Drive the coastal road, or let the sea guide you by boat. Venice comes next. A city with no roads, only canals. Gondolas glide through history, beneath bridges and golden sunsets. Lose yourself in hidden alleys, or explore the colorful islands of Murano and Burano. Florence is the heart of art. Every street tells a Renaissance story. From the Duomo's breathtaking dome to Michelangelo's David, beauty lives in every detail. Cross the Ponte Vecchio and feel time stand still. Then there is Rome, the eternal city. Walk through ancient ruins where empires once ruled. Stand before the Colosseum, make a wish at the Trevi Fountain, and look up in awe beneath the Sistine Chapel. Along the Ligurian coast lies Cinque Terre, 5 colorful villages perched above the sea. Hike the coastal trails, feel the ocean breeze, and watch the sun melt into the horizon. Tuscany slows life down. Rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns paint the landscape. Siena, San Gimignano, and Val d'Orcia look like living postcards. Lake Como offers quiet elegance, crystal waters, alpine views, and timeless villas. Bellagio and Verona reflect beauty in every ripple. Sicily tells ancient stories, from the power of Mount Etna to the ruins of Agrigento. History rises from volcanic earth beside the sea. Sardinia feels untouched. White sand, turquoise water, and wild coastlines. A paradise shaped by nature. And finally, Verona, a city of romance and poetry, where love stories echo beneath ancient stone. Italy isn't just seen, it's felt. And once you go, a part of your heart stays forever.